This week I'd like to tell you a story. This is the story of how a room in a house became my home.
Well, my father was a painter, he served in the war, but now he doesn't paint, doesn't march anymore. I always wanna ask him why. I never do. My mother was a poet in the 1980s, but she hasn't written anything since 93. And I always wanna ask her why. I never do. I never do. I never do. I never do. I never
For the vlog! We just got a tornado warning. This may be the last vlog. There's a tornado coming and we're all gonna die. They're taking it pretty well. Behold the room.
Dang, 322 a gallon. Holy smoke.
Oh man, yeah! Oh, look at that. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Look at that backdrop.
Yes. I don't watch American Idol, but I'm going to an American Idol concert tonight. I agreed to go when I was still riding the high of just getting back to Disney. Say yes to all the opportunities. Life is great. Experience everything. Maybe this experience will be great. Maybe I will absolutely love all of the American Idol artists that I've never heard of. Kelly Clarkson, Clay Aiken, where you at? Ruben, Stutter, Bo Bice, Fantasia, Kelly Pickler. What does one wear to an American Idol concert? I'm glad you asked. A pirate shirt, jeans, some cool boots. Put it all together, you got the makings of someone ready to party. It's way too hot to be wearing jeans or boots. Also, I don't like having my legs exposed in like tight public spaces. It just feels like the air of strangers is gonna go up my shorts. I don't know if anyone else can relate to that feeling. Hit me up if that's something you experience. How you guys doing? I was honestly very inspired. Oh, my mirror's dirty. Oh no! Does this look cool? Devon, you did not go to film school to edit this crap. I promise I'm not gross. My dog is blind and his nose touches it. Oh, this is all unnecessary. Oh, that one's clean. Hannah, I liked listening to you talk to the camera. It felt like we were chilling. We were at the block again. It was good times. I don't really have much to say besides American Idol. Nick's going too. I don't think he's overly excited about it. It's your parents coming to you from Cedar Rapids. Are you excited, Nick?
Why is it your parents coming?
We're their parents, because
Whose parents?
we're Devon and Hannah's parents. It's like when you really like two people and you're like, oh, it's my parents! We're their parents. Like if Devon or Hannah had to run away from home, they would run into our arms and we would feed them oatmeal and make sure they were safe. We would make sure they were safe and had a place to live. I am your mom. Aww. No, right on the lady's face. Are you excited for Clay Aiken?
He's not gonna be here.
Clay Aiken's gonna be here. Did you get a picture of that for your mom? You're in the vlog. Oh, hi. Hey, Todd.
One for me, so you can promise what you were just ain't enough for me. Hey, better keep
Hello friends, so today we are off to Joanne to get some crocheting supplies because my mom would like to learn to crochet. Any craft that anybody does, I'm like, I'll do it, I'll learn it. You only need like 3 things to crochet, which is kind of crazy because most crafts need so many expensive supplies. You only need yarn, a crochet hook, and a little needle. I love going in there and looking at all like the fabrics and stuff because they have so many cool little like fabric pieces and stuff. It's so fun. Crocheting classes and stuff. I feel like there's so many yarn aisles. I don't know, but that's what it says on the thing. Got my hook and my needle and my little yarn. Taking a swing around the fabric because I noticed they got the Halloween fabric in. So many people. I love the fall colors. I'm dying. Oh, that's cute. Oh my god, I'm dying. These are so cool. I love this. Oh my god. Joanne haul time. Pretty. So that's pretty much all you need to crochet. Okay, so we have a whole bunch of cardboard and my brother wanted to make one of those like cardboard moose head things put on the wall. I started it last night. I didn't get very far. This is what I've got so far. I cut the side pieces, so that's the start. We're gonna paint it the wall color, purple. Got a little bit bent over because it wasn't that strong. I'm gonna try and fix that now by putting some toothpicks on the inside. We're just guessing here. Here's me per scale.